Hello all, and welcome to another video in the Gift Card Lifestyle channel. This is Cody here. It's been a long time since I put together some videos for this channel and for others, just because I've been getting over a cold and an asthma exacerbation, so forgive me. But I'm going to basically walk you through what is called Prize Rebel. Now, Prize Rebel has been around for a number of years. I forget when they actually got founded, but they are a really solid company for surveys that pay you in points. It's kind of like Swagbucks, although Swagbucks has some limitations, but this one seems to be um, a lot more forward. I will have you know that the Peanut Labs surveys are probably the best ones to do because they're the ones that credit the most. The Yours surveys actually pay more in the Daily Gold. So if you go to the Daily Gold, those actually pay quite a bit more. But the thing you have to notice is they pay you only if you um, get approved or you pass the survey. Um, Otherwise, they don't actually pan out and they don't give you extra points for at least trying. And I'm a big believer in points for effort. And Peanut Labs, if you go over to Peanut Labs, you'll see that there's many different surveys and it'll ask you, different things like different pre-qualification questions, and then you'll hit continue, and then it'll say whether you're a good match or whether it doesn't work for you, and then it'll open up in a new window the survey. And sometimes, depending on the second or third party survey thing that Peanut Labs uses, sometimes though, the surveys will be worth it. Sometimes they'll make you take 50, like a bajillion surveys before they'll credit you. So you have to choose wisely the ones that'll get you through at the not the necessarily the quickest rather, but the ones that will give you the most bang for your time, because you don't want to be sitting on a survey for 45 minutes and then get disqualified. Um, this one, I forget what this survey my opinion, not research now. These guys are what I'm talking about. They're kind of, sometimes they'll approve you and sometimes they won't. But any rate, that's one of those. And you will get, there are many different survey um, things that you can go to. MarketCube is one of them. I haven't used that very much, but I will start to use it. I just got on this program maybe 6 months ago, and so I'm barely starting to scratch the surface on what is going on. Now, I will tell you something about the TAP survey rewards. These guys used to be my favorites. They used to be my favorite surveys. But recently, I think there's been some fraudulent activity from users on the site trying to click through too fast, and that basically told TAP that we shouldn't give them points for participation. So they stopped giving points for, disqualification. Like now, they just DQ'd me for a survey, so they're not going to give me points for trying. Which I think that is it's a shame, because those points are valuable towards your point bonus. And they're valuable in so many ways to add up over time, not really quickly, but slowly you add up over time all the stuff that you've accumulated, and it comes out to a lot. Then we have, go back to the home page. Your surveys, it'll tell you how many surveys are there for you. On the left, you have your survey banner, and then you have points left into reward. That's the daily goal, the daily challenge. It's similar to Swagbook's daily goal. And then down below that, you have your reward goal, which is mine's like a $2 Amazon gift card. And then you can copy your link. I'll put the link in the description as well as I'll put it on this video somewhere so that you can copy the link and sign up. You can also do the video wall, the engage me, the offer walls, the invite your friends, that's the referral, or do tasks for points. And also on the left, you have your redeem a code, your promo code. Periodically, Prize Rebel will either email you, or if you have the Chrome extension for, or the Firefox extension, I'm on Firefox for this one, for the Prize Rebel add-on, if you install that, they will actually give you, from time to time, codes. You can also go here to Facebook. All right. Let's go to Prize Rebel. Sorry, you guys are, I should try to blur out my stuff. But Prize Rebel, you can just search for it in the search box. And there's going to be a little bit of different Prize Rebel spots. You're going to want to pick this one up at the top, because that's the main site. That's the Facebook page for the main site. And you can get likes. You can like it. They'll give you a point for that. And then they will give you, like this code here, I already redeemed it. They'll give codes on their Facebook page, on their main Facebook page, so that you can redeem those for 5 to 10 points on each one. And that's one of the many ways that you can earn. High-paying surveys I haven't done yet, but I will actually do another follow-up video to talk to you about all this once I've figured it out. But these are just the various ways. Like, you can do high-paying surveys. You can do these are surveys that are in the hundreds, perhaps thousands of points. If you really wanted to jumpstart your point board, and these can be anywhere from hundreds to less. It just depends. And you can also go over to rewards, and you'll find their most popular ones are the $5 PayPal, the $5 Amazon, the $5 Visa, and whatever else. $2 Amazon gift card right there. That's the goal that I have right now. CVS Pharmacy, Starbucks, Walmart. All of these gift cards. You can also search for categories like PayPal. You can do that. And they do up to $100 in PayPal for those who don't know. Your PayPal account must have an email that matches. Otherwise, they're going to have trouble getting it to you. Then you can click over in the categories like newest gift cards and the updated amounts section. There's many different things you can check out. So I will be doing more videos on this, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to give you a walkthrough on this. The last thing that I don't really do yet, but I'll do a follow-up on it, is the winning raffles. The raffle right now is for a $10 BJ's gift card. And you use points to enter those. It's kind of like Swag Books. They have a similar thing like that, where you can, win prizes based on, how many entries you put in. And that's that. And then we have the lucky numbers. And this is where you can have a couple of numbers that will, you could select numbers, and if the numbers are the ones that are called, then you will get the lucky numbers jackpot at the end. So anyway, that is it. And the last one is the inviting the friends to to the site, and I will put a link on there to invite you guys to sign up, and I hope you will. I will be back with another video, and stay tuned.